Uba Fernando Shangpliang, ubalong kum legal representative kaseng HNLC, ulalaj ban mikmat mentagasni ka arpo arterik uleber aja arpusan, hakmat ka unlawful activities prevention tribunal, banya sad nakabenta ka jingbeteng jong ka jingsha khen bian kaseng HNLC, haka Ministry of Home Affairs, jong ka Sorkar India bat kat kum ka jingyat ho jong uba Fernando, ka tribunal kalabu sngi biang ban syong bishar, ya kani ka kam ha ka khandai tarik yayong araja arpusan ha Guwahati Assam. Kani ka di ka sin ka baningkong ba ka HNLC kala yakhun persha ya ka jingsha khen bian ha ka Sorkar India.
Today this is my first appearance before the tribunal. After I have appeared in the tribunal, the result is that from the tribunal I have made a submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC.
So what is it all about? Is the organization demanding that the ban should be lifted? What it is?
Obviously, from the organization, they have the ideology to regarding this ban should be lifted. That's why they have appointed me as their counsel, so to appear on behalf before the tribunal.
So has the tribunal given you some time or time frame or anything?
See, I have made my submission before the tribunal, before the court of Sumitra Saikia, the learned justice of the Guwahati High Court. I have made my submission that to allow me to submit my show cause on behalf of the organization HNLC. But as per the procedure of the tribunal, they were not allowed because the rule of the procedure, if the time has been fixed on the 13th of February 2025 to submit my reply or objection regarding the intention of to lift the ban HNLC for to make the HNLC as one of the organization that it should not be banned for a period of 5 years. That is my argument on behalf of the tribunal. But just as I made earlier that the rule of tribunal not allowed. So my next point from the today only from the tribunal, they make clearly that from the state, from the union government, they have already submit their affidavit. They have already filed the affidavit, and from the state, they represented by the concerned police department from the Shillong branch. They have submitted their affidavit along with the petition, along with the affidavit. So the next date for the tribunal to be set is on the 9th of April at Guwahati. The place of venue will be scheduled later, and they will inform to us that what is the next date or where is the venue to be conducted regarding this matter.
Well, since today is your first time you are appearing, so today what you submitted?
Today I just enter appearance, but from my point of view, from my legal point of view, I try to submit my show cause. But as I stated you earlier that as per the rule of the tribunal, they were not allowed. So we have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross examination. So by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also, they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit, and based on that, then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government. based on that, on the 9th of April 2025, I have to cross all the witness in this instant case.
Okay. Your name?
My name is Fernando Changpliang. I represent on behalf of the organization Nyotrep National Liberation Council.